Hello viewers, let's continue our GATE series, and now we have to solve one more question on GATE which is already come in 2020, GATE 2020. Okay, so this is the easiest question, I guess. You can solve it by your own. So here is given a directed graph, okay, weighted directed graph, and you just have to find the cheapest route from 1 and 2. Okay, you just have to find the route between 1 to 2, the cheapest route. Okay, and here is given a prices also. You just have to check it that which one is the least price between 1 to 2. Okay, so you can solve it by finding all the routes from 1 to 2 and then find the price. Okay, but my approach is that you should solve only the options. Okay, the options given here. So let's check it. I will check it through the option. So the first option is given here, from 1 to A and A to C and then C to 2. Okay, you have to pay from 1 to A. The price is given here. This is the price and this is the price. Okay, so from 1 to let's erase it. Let's erase it. So start from 1 to A. The price is given is 200. Okay, and from A to C the price is given 100, and from C to 2 the price is given 100. Okay, and then you just have to find the cheapest route. Okay, so first you have to add all the prices given. So the total price is 200 plus 100 plus 100. Okay, so the total price is 400. Okay, in the same way I will find for B also. So here is given a 1F, B and 2. Okay, so from 1 to F the price is given 100, and F to B the price is given 0, and from B to C, here is the B to C, the price is given 200. Okay, so after adding, the TP is the total price. Okay, so the TP is 100 plus 0 plus 200, which is 300. Okay, and now we have to check for option C also, which is 1, B and C, sorry 2. So from 1 to B the price is given 300. Okay, and from B to 2 the price is given 200. Okay, so after finding the total price will be 300 plus 200, which is 500. Okay, so so this is the price of C, and now we have to find the price. Let's erase it. And now we have to find the price of option D, which is given here. So the for D option, 1, F, E and 2. Okay, so from 1 to F the price is 100 plus F to E the price is 100, and from E to 2 the price is 200. Okay, so after adding you will get 200 plus 200, which is 400. Okay, so you just have to return the cheapest route. So the cheapest route will be Here is 400, 500, 300 and 400. So the cheapest route will be the 300, which is option B. Okay, so you just have to, so the correct answer is option B, which is 1 to F and B to 2. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. So here is an explanation. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.